Reachers belong to the Psittacidae family and are found in diverse habitats across the world, from tropical rainforests to arid savannas. In this essay, we will delve into the captivating world of parrots, exploring their characteristics, behavior, communication skills, and the unique bond they share with humans. Diversity and habitat. Parrots are a diverse group of birds comprising over 350 species, each distinguished by its colorful feathers and distinctive traits. They are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and some Pacific islands. Their ability to adapt to various habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even urban environments, contributes to their widespread distribution. Physical characteristics. One of the most striking features of parrots is their colorful plumage. Their feathers display a stunning array of colors, ranging from vivid reds, blues, and yellows to more subtle greens and grays. These brilliant hues serve multiple purposes, such as attracting mates and camouflaging in their natural surroundings.